says more to me.
I've been learning how to stay, not running when it's real.
You're the
Pause between my thoughts.
you're the calm I feel. It's us, gently unfolding, like pages we don't skip. Every scar, every promise, fingertips on fingers